Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on what part of the world you are in. I am Old Man 102. Welcome back to Automation Empire. Let's get it off a pause. So our main goal. So we're up to a whopping 318 kilograms in a 3-month average towards our 30,000 kilograms for a 3-month average. So we are rocking and rolling. Not really. We are up to 171,000. I'm trying to just let this run a little bit so we can collect some research points. And we're going to probably change this up a little bit as soon as we get a factory up and running. And then we're going to actually work on getting our first factory built. And we could probably mess around with the base here a little bit. Now, if we look at our research, or this one, we're going to need to unlock the refinery. And we're going to need to unlock the step conveyor. Building the factory without these two are useless. So we need 20,000. So we need 65,000 in research points. Right now we have 0 research points. So let's ramp up while we're waiting for cash to come in. We're going to spend a little bit, but we're going to ramp up our research a little bit. So let's spin the map this way for a minute. What do we have in there? 8,000. Let's wait till we can claim that, and then I'll change that up a little bit. But in the meantime, we're going to spend a little bit more money. We are going to get... Let's throw another miner down. Actually, let's just... I'm trying to save as much money as I can. Let's throw one more down for now. And then we'll grab a transfer tube. We'll throw another small tank down. We'll put down what do we need? A putter downer. And then we'll extend, so let's pause this a second. Let's get rid of those couple sections. And now we'll bring this guy over. Oh, okay, so where did my transfer tube go? My transfer tube is in the wrong spot. Anyway, let's try that again. Transfer tube. And then, oh man, is the whole thing too far up? No, we should be good. It just needs electric now. Nope, everything is built one square over. Good thing we get all your stuff back. Putter downer. Right there. Alright, that's much better. Now I'm just waiting for this little bit of research to build before I destroy this. Because I want to claim that 13,000. Hopefully it'll hit 20,000 points before. And the other thing that we're going to do is we're probably going to take these 2 oil wells. And I'm going to run some extra coal over this way so we can ship out a little bit more product and we can get another set of roads in so we can prep for our factory. So keep an eye on the research points at the same time, but we could probably pull we could definitely pull more coal. Let's get more product shipping out. That'll help us get the factory built faster. And as soon as this turns green, we'll take the research points. So let's grab, got to spend money to make money. So let's grab 2 wells. Actually, let's spin the map back this way a minute. Let's grab a transfer tube there. Transfer tube there. Let's put a tank there. And there. Let's put putter downer there. in there. And then let's hook these together. Oh, we're going to have to go out one. You need one there. You need one there. And we're going to need a bendy bit. I'm going to need 2 bendy bits. If I can get 2 bendy bits in there, I can. Alright, now we go back to straight. And then we're going to go curve. Come on. Curve. I'm going to go, we're going to go sucker upper. Actually, I can change this up a little bit. Hold on. We can take this directly over here. I think, yeah, we can take this directly over here. Alright, we're green. Alright, I'm going to put that on pause a second. Let's throw this on pause a minute. Let's claim our research. I'm going to just get rid of that a minute. That poll's going to go for a minute. Because we have to change this up a little bit. We have to go tank. And then we put our, no, we need transfer tube this way and that way. And then we go back to here and we put research lab, research lab. Now we can expand these out as we need them. Let's get you hooked in there. So now we're going to have 2 running, and we'll see if that keeps up with the coal. Let's get back to this project, because what I want to do is let's get rid of this. Because what I want to do over here, let's work backwards. Actually, I like the map this way. Let's put down so we need a putter downer here. Now put her downer there. Tank. And on this side we need a sucker upper. Yeah. And now we're going to run a minecart this way. And again, this is a temporary setup because this is where our factory is going to go. But I want to get as much product out as I can for now. And while we're earning cash. And we'll grab a couple mine carts. And we'll grab some electric. And we'll get a little bit more coal coming up here to be shipped out while we're waiting for our research. Now, if our research starts backing up, which it is, let's throw... what you do here is you throw on a long tube, another tank, and then I believe you have to go another short tube to get the spacing, and then another tank, and then I believe I think I can fit one in here now where they don't touch each other. So I think you can get in, yeah, research bay. research bay, and you got to extend the electric over. And then we broke our electric because we now have too much running on one circuit. Now the problem is these electrical units have to be, let's go pause. I believe these electrical units have to be touching each other. Oh no, we can go here. Okay, no, we're good. Let's go there. And then let's get our last electric pole in. So we broke the electric because we were 44 of 80. So we were 44 of 40. So we overcompensated our electric, or we taxed our electrical system. All right, now we're going to have some research coming in. So we can unlock the, what is that? Well, I can't hover on it now. The furnace. Oh, here we go. The refiner. Now we need the step conveyor. And then to really ramp the factory up, we have to ship out refined coal, refined iron, and then we just need weight to get that out. So we need, before we can build our factory, and then this is going to have to change again. And what I may do is I may completely move our electric like over here, so I can reroute this track over this way to get it out of the way. So I'm going to need every bit of this space here. I'm going to build the biggest factory I can. Alright, how are we looking over here? We have not a lot of product backing up. So no use putting another tunnel in yet. So right now it's a waiting game for research points. We're almost there on those two. We need, what do we need? 45,000. Once we get these two, then we can build our factory. You are not quite 19. Let's wait for these to come up to like 23 each before we claim those. And then what I may do temporarily, I just may run all of this coal out into research. Alright, so you have, we're almost there. I want these to hit 23. Let's claim that. Let's claim that. Now we have enough to unlock our step conveyor. Now we change things up a bit. So let's go pause. Unfortunately, I know we just put this in, but let's see if I can get the factory in before I destroy that. So if we go our factory, oh, that's a door. If I can go here, I want room to bring trains and stuff up here, so I don't want to go like right to the very edge. But if we go like so, yeah, that's going to have to move, but I don't have to move it yet. So let's let it run. I know there's no doors, I know there's no power. We're going to need doors for our stupid little robot friends to come in and out of. They're $1,000 a piece. I don't mind spending the money. We're going to need them anyway. So now we go. Now, if I can remember how this goes. How much cash do we have left? 108 grand. We still have, because we're using the robots, they have to pick up crates. Now, they will fly into the factory. So we're going to go, now we're going to go to here. We're going to put in, we have to box it and then fire it. And then we need step conveyors. So what's nice about this factory is if you mess this up, you can change it. I'm going to leave room for, I'm going to put 3 down, but I'm going to remove those 3. I'm going to start in the middle. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to take these out because I don't want the space. I don't want to use the space. Oh, I don't want to do that. I wanted to spin it. Now, I don't know if these are going to be far enough away. So we come out of there with, now we go to our step conveyors. So you're going to come straight out. We need 1 there. I need 2 there. And in order for our drones to pick them up, they need unload stations. So now we go to an unload station. We're going to tail this guy. Here, let me spin around. So we're going to tell this guy to take your crate. Actually, I'm going to come out 1 more. I'm going to go 3, and I'm going to go 2. So we tell this guy to take your crate and put it there. We tell this guy to take your crate and put it there. So that's going to be our finished product coming out. And we tell this guy he's going to be a high priority. And then we do the same thing here. We need step conveyor 2 and 1. I believe that's how it gets set up. And then we put in, 1 crate maker can run 3 furnaces. So let's grab our crate maker, and he's going to go right onto there. I don't know if I have, we may have to change this up a little bit. It's been so long since I've put these down. And we tell this guy he has to go there. We tell this guy he has to go there. Now we have to tell this guy to skip, I believe it's every 2. And we tell this guy to skip every 1. So the first crate, he'll pick up the first crate, it'll go this way. He'll pick up the second crate, it'll go this way, and the third crate should go straight. Now for now, we are going to go with a transfer tube, but I'm going to put the bigger tank in for now, though this will change. And now we have to bring in, let's go back to our factory. We need a door. I'm going to throw door there, door there. Alright. Now I'm going to pause it a minute. Let's actually, no, I'm going to wait for this guy to get out of the way. Alright, now we're going to pause it. I'm going to pick this up. I'm going to pick this up, this up, this up. pull this back. I'm just going to pull it back to there because I'm not sure where it's going yet. So over here we need a sucker upper. Oh, come on. Need a sucker upper. Where do I want to put it? Let's put it here. And now we're going to need, I'm going to have to put another door in. Let's grab our tracks. So you're going to come out there. You're going to curve this way, come back out that way, and then we need a door there. Alright, now you're going to bring your product in. Nope. Nope, 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 nope. You're going to go that way. You're going to go that way. You're going to have your own carts. Right, so that's going to, where's the arrow going? So you're going to suck your product. You're going to suck your product off of this cart going into the tank. All right. Now we need a sucker upper here. And I'm going to go with a, we have the money, I'm going to go with a large tank. Let's try that again. Actually, no, let's just go with a small tank for now. So you're going to go there. And then I need a sucker upper. You're going to go there. And now we're going to come off of here. Can I go? No, we're going to need an offset. Am I going to need one offset? Yeah, I'm just going to need one offset, I think. Yeah. And then you're going to come around here. Alright. Now, hold on, pause. We got to get electric to the building. Now, one thing nice about the building, all you do is run electric to the building, and it picks it up. So if we get a power pole here, oh, does it have? I think it has to be a corner. Okay, so now this building is electrified. Let's go unpause a minute. So what's going to happen is this guy's going to bring the coal over to this tank. This guy's going to pick it up from this tank and bring it into the factory. This is going to, if I have everything hooked up right, first coal's going to go into here. It's going to go into the crate maker. Alright, the first one went straight. This one should come on this side. Okay, it's going on that side. Now this one should come on this side. And it's going to fire all three crates. Now they're going to come out as fired coal. And then their drone should come in here, pick up the fired coal, and take it out to a truck. Now, what's nice about these crates over here are raw material, 1 kilogram per crate. Now that we have fired coal, so our fired coal is 10 kilograms per crate. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take this operation, we're going to move it inside. So we're going to get more coal coming in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw in I need a sucker upper because this guy has to pull it out of the tank. Nope, wrong one. All right. Yep, put her downer. All right, let's go with a large tank on this side. And then now we need a sucker upper to go into the tank. Let's go on pause because now we're going to, here's where we start. Yeah, so this all has to change. You have to change. You need to bring your stuff back to here. So let's run this guy up that way. This guy up that way. You come over here, get hooked up there. You come over here, and then you come back to there. Now we'll throw like 6 carts on there. So it's going to bring all of this coal now back into the factory to get fired. And we're going to have to replicate this setup again because this one setup's not going to keep up with the coal we're making. Now, what we also have to do is check on our research. Alright, so let's claim this, 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 and this. Now we're going to have to change our research up a little bit as well. But in order to unlock, we need this guy, but we have to be shipping 9,000 kilograms and we're only at 500. We need this guy, desperately need this guy. But we need to research fired coal and fired iron, not just the raw material. And we have to be shipping 8,000 kilograms for the combiner. For the claw train, we just need to ship fired iron and be shipping 3,000 kilograms. Pretty much, this is the setup we need next, right here. This guy, and this guy. So we need fired coal for this guy, fired iron for this guy, and fired coal and iron for this guy. So right now we have to change our factory up a little bit. We have to take the rest of this coal and fire it and then bring it back out to be researched, which we can do. But I think the first thing I want to do is I want to get my iron coming in and getting fired. So you're keeping up right now with the 1, unless I messed something up. Now, yeah, you're keeping up with the 1 for now. Did I mess something up here that he's not getting unloaded? I did. Pause. This guy is the wrong one. I need a sucker upper. There. There we go. So now you're going to start getting the coal from these guys coming in. And then you're going to need a couple more carts. And then this one tank's not going to be able to keep up with another one of these setups. And I don't know if this tank's in the right spot. I want to do iron first, but I want to mimic the same setup. We're going to skip the first 3. One. We're going to skip, I'm going to put them down. We're going to skip the first 3. We're going to use this next 3. Now, these are using electricity, but we're not making anything. So let's go pause. And let's mirror our coal. So we need 1, 2, 3, and then we need the unload crates. We got to tell you you're a high priority, and then we need where are they? Over here on the end. I'm blind. So you're going to go that way. Oh, you're going to go that way. You know what we didn't do? We didn't tell these to skip. Oh no, I want them to grab every crate on that side. Alright, now on this side, we do the same thing. So we take our, so 1, 2, 3, you go that way, you go that way, you have to skip every 2, you have to skip every 1, and then we throw in our crate maker, and then we throw in a transfer tube, and we'll go with the long one for now. We can always change this up, and we'll throw in another large tank, and then we got to get our iron in here now. So I'm going to move this, let this train move a minute, because what we're going to do now is this whole setup is going to go. I know we're losing a little bit of product, but that's all right. So now we got to get our product into here. So we need a sucker upper. We'll put him there. And then, so you're going to go this way out that door. You have to come out to a middle of a tile. So we need, we're going to have to throw in a door there and a door there. Now we're going to do the same thing. I'm going to let's go with our tracks. I'm going to make a circle. We're going to have its own little cart running in here. I'm going to bring, oh crap, I didn't leave enough room for a tank. I don't think I left enough room for tanks. This factory, this factory may be in the wrong spot. But what we could do, let's try and make it work. Let's see if I can make it work. Let's see if we can get our tanks in here. I need one space. Can't be built there. Can be built here. Can I put one? I need one space. Can I put one there? I could put it there. We're going to change things up a little bit. Where can I get my tank? Can't be on a curve. Yeah, we're going to change this operation up a little bit. I didn't leave myself a lot of room, but we have more ore. Let's come over this way. So let's come over this way. And then let's connect this up this way. Alright, now what I can do is we can go so you're going to have to pick up. Alright, so let's go put her downer. No, you need to suck up. You need to suck up the product coming. No, it's got to be this one. Yeah, so you're coming out of the tank. So you're going to pick this product up coming out of the tank. All right, let's go with the tank. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw in transfer tube. I'm going to throw in a second tank. And now I need a sucker upper. And now we can get this product. If I have enough room, I do. Coming over this way. So you come over this way. You come over this way. Now this is going to come into this building. This guy's going to suck it up out of here, take it into here. So our iron should now get fired. But what we're also going to do is this is backing up, so we're going to. This needs another setup. You're going to take our iron inside, and then we're going to start firing some iron here in a second. Let's just make sure this setup is correct. Alright, it's going straight into the crate maker. Tank is starting to fill. We should see one crate go straight, one crate go to the left, one crate go to the right. So now we have fired iron. And pause. This guy is facing the wrong way. They're both facing the wrong way. Alright, let's go. Get rid of you. Get rid of you. Alright, you need to go that way. You need to go that way. There we go. So now our stupid drones are going to come over and start grabbing our fired product. Now we're not shipping a lot out yet, but because we're going to have to duplicate this. So what we're going to do is we're going to bring, we got a ton of coal coming in, and this is backed up. So now we need to duplicate this for the coal. We also, what we're going to do is we're going to tap into the iron that's sitting right here. We're going to put another tank here so this guy can bring it into the factory. And then we'll do another setup for iron here. But we also have to get some fired iron over here to be researched. So we got to get fired coal over to be researched. And then we have to get fired iron over to be researched. So I'm going to pause. I'm going to leave it here. This is a good stopping point for next episode. So I am Old Man 102. Thank you for stopping in. Please smash that like and subscribe on your way out. It'll really help the channel grow. And I hope everyone has an awesome day.